Hello and welcome. I'm Raghav and today we will learn how to install Red Robot Editor on Eclipse so that we can start working on creating our tests on robot framework. So step number one is we have to open Eclipse, and then step number two is you have to go to your help, the help menu, and go to Eclipse Marketplace. So I will go to my Eclipse and here it is. I will go to the help menu, and from here you can go to Eclipse Marketplace, and here you will find this Eclipse Marketplace window and you have to search for Red. So once this is loaded, you can go to this find section, this find text box, and say Red and hit enter to search, and you should get this Red Robot Editor option. Click on install here. So this will start installing the Red Robot Editor on Eclipse. So I'll just write down the steps for you. All these notes will be available with the video. So step number 3 will be search for Red Robot Editor, and step number 4 is install and restart Eclipse. So you can just accept this license agreement. You can read and accept it and say finish, and this should complete the installation for Red on Eclipse. I'll see the details and install anyway, and it will ask you to restart. I will say restart now. So this should start, this will restart Eclipse, and then Eclipse should have the Red Robot Editor. So let us just wait for the Eclipse to get restarted. And yes, Eclipse is restarted, and you can see here we have got this option, Red Robot Framework Editor, and you can also click here and it will give you some documentation and some useful resources. So if you click on that link, it will take you to Eclipse help, and here you can see there is a user guide for robot editor, and this is very useful and very handy. You can just read it out. You have about this guide, red keyboard shortcuts, and steps to use Red. And I had also shared some links in the last session, so you can also watch that. I will just close this and go to my workbench, and here you can check by going to Windows. So go to your Windows and go to Perspective and open Perspective, and go to Other, and it should open the perspective, and here you should have a perspective for robot. Also, you can just go from your this icon which is for open perspective, and if you click here it will again open the open perspective window, and you should find robot here. So that means robot Red Editor is now installed. We will also look at the environment setup. So environment setup will be important so that you do not face any issues while you start working with the robot framework. So here in environment setup, I'll just mention the things you have to check. So Red requires Python interpreter with robot framework installed on your system. So that means you should have Python and you should have robot framework already installed. So if you go to the command line, if you say Python space hyphen hyphen version, you can see Python is already installed, and if you say robot space hyphen hyphen version, you can see the robot framework is already installed, and this we have already covered in the earlier session. So you should be having Python and you should be having the robot framework. You can also say pip list, and you should be able to see the robot framework here. So this is a prerequisite to work with Red Robot Editor. So you can just use these commands to check, which is Python space hyphen hyphen version. This is hyphen and hyphen version, and robot space hyphen and hyphen version. So you can use these commands to verify you have both of these, and then you can also go to your Eclipse and go to Windows, go to Preferences, and you should find a robot framework option there, and you can also see the installed frameworks there. So if I go to my Eclipse and go to Windows and go to Preferences, so this is Window, Menu and Preferences. Here you should find a robot framework option. You can see a robot framework here, and if you expand this, you will see an option for installed frameworks. So if you go here, it will show you the Python interpreter. You should see your Python interpreter here, and this should be along with the robot framework. So if you already have Python and you have already installed robot framework, this will be auto generated and you should not have to do anything here. Just in case you are not finding anything, you can click on this add button here, and it will take you, you can browse your Python. So in my case it is in C, program files x86, and here is my Python folder, and this is the Python where my robot framework is already installed. So you should take care because you can have multiple Pythons installed on the same system. So you should use the Python which has the robot framework. So in this case this is done, and that's all you have to do for setting up Red and setting up environment for Red Robot Editor. I hope this session was very useful for you. Thank you for watching.